The mission, to create a special photo contest for the Lumix National Award. The goal, to increase the number of Lumix Club members. Question, what is creativity? Answer, creativity is an improvisation. The ability to be spontaneously creative is a measure of your creativity. Idea, the most dynamic Lumix photo contest ever! The Lumix camera is so light, you can improvise whenever and wherever you like, just like cool jazz musicians. When you're walking, when you're running, and even when you're flying. All you need is a camera, a cell phone, and a passion for photography. Logistics. A participant registers on the website using a cell phone number and Facebook account. They receive photo assignments that come every day by SMS. Every time it's a mystery. What's the task? When is it set? Where is it set? The longer you take thinking, the fewer points you get. When the photo's uploaded to the website, it gets points for quality, publication in social media, being shot on Lumix, and of course, it gets liked. In 2 weeks, the project gathered 5,000 participants, 12,000 photographs. The photographs got 150,000 likes. All the participants had the unforgettable experience of spontaneous creativity thanks to Lumix and integrated digital communications. And they'll compete for the yearly Lumix National Award.